Hey guys, this is CJ. Want some giveaways? Watch this video until the end. What's up guys? And we are here at SMC side. I need to attend some event, but I'm pretty sure I'm late because of traffic and some adulting stuff. I went to the hospital earlier in the morning to have my follow-up checkup and I need to rush and I'm lost in the seaside. It's too big here. Yeah. So there's basically a Ricardo Versosa right now. My hair is so basically here at the press conference of the Sky Park launching and it's the best part of the vlog. Kain na! Everything's gonna be an amazing day here at SMC side because they are having session at the Sky Park. Every day is a music day. So let's go and enjoy. It's more fun here at SMC side Sky Park with it's Monday blues and let's chill, eat, listen good music. Come on y'all. Nanatay good music, nanatay snacks, nanatay beanbag, nanatay sa Sky Park with good weather. Kabulong ako sa gulang sa Love Life.
It's a 1:15.
The good kids.
The cloud where his pants going down. Oh, he can be eating his rocks.
Sessions at the Sky Park. Join us for the whole month every day here at SMC Side City, Cebu.
This is a vlog inception. Vlogging na vlogging. So guess what? The vlog doesn't end there. Mag-shopping daw siya. Kung buyugan ki wala kay buhaton karon. Wow. You know what? I really like the lighting here in SMC side because I feel so mestizo. Like Will Dasowitz. Many people commented in my vlog that I was like Will's brother. Do you think I'm the long lost brother of Will Dasowitz? Comment down below.
Maybe.
Kulang kasi rin exposure plus 10 mo na. Tara! Uy!
Guys,
Tara! These guys actually has a GC and SM and they're gonna shop till they drop. Want your love, you're not waiting for somebody like me. Wow.
like for like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Actually, the reason I stayed here at Seaside because I don't know where I actually parked my scooter. I don't know where I parked it, and the search is on. Balik ka sa hitting ring. Asa mong kuha ni mo agyo eh? I finally found the gate. The gate to the parking lot where I park my scooter. It's right there. That's it. Search is over. Bye bye. See you next time. Yeah, and thank you for watching the whole video. I will give away these two tickets for Cars 3 Premiere. Just do these things. Step 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. 2. Share this video on your Facebook and Instagram with the hashtag CJGibbs and tag your date. And that's it. Thank you and good luck and enjoy the movie. Like and subscribe.